Welcome back to BadgerBBQ. Playing in a little rain here today. Par 5, third shot. Got myself in a little trouble here. 141, uphill lie. I'm gonna hit a 9. See what I can do. Left, but we'll see if I can get up and down for par. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we are, 25 feet, right to left for up and down. 3 under on the back 9 right now. Playing well, 2 chip-ins, easy tap-in bird, and then I royally fuck up this par 5, and this is what I'm faced with. So we're gonna entrust in my my fancy Queen B10 Bettinardi. I'm gonna put this in for an up and down. Let's go. Let's do it. I like my line. Just gotta hit it. Come on, come on, go in, go in, go in. Oh,